All right. I was out tonight driving Uber, and in the storm, in the snowstorm here in Virginia Beach, everything's going good. Customers are great, and my transmission just went. And the reason I'm doing Uber is mainly as a side job from my main job. My main job is I drive tour buses for a living, and business is slow. I mean, very slow. I was actually supposed to go out today and take a team on a trip, but because of the snow, that trip got canceled. And before then, I haven't really driven a bus since December 28th. So I've been using Uber to supplement my income and try and maintain my bills and pay things and just take care of my son and do things. And I'm not really sure to what I should do at the moment. I'm thinking about a couple of things, but with things being slow, I don't really see my options are few. And I don't like asking for help, but I don't have a choice but to do so. Because I need to drive my car to make money, to pay bills, to just survive until things in the bus business get back up. And right now, Uber and doing rideshare is, you know, what I have to do that. Um, you know, and I was doing good. I was in the process of trying to pay off some other debt, trying to pay some other bills off, doing good, making progress, and trying to maintain that progress as best I can by going out here and busting my tail. Um, but it's not happening, and part of me is thinking about just maybe trying to file bankruptcy, but then I don't have the money to file bankruptcy, and I really don't want to do that. Uh, and I'm not sure what else to really do. My family is wonderful; they help me best they can, but I don't want to be a burden on them, and I'm trying to do stuff on my own, and it's my life. I try to stay positive about it, but it's not working out. It's just not working out. And if I could just keep driving Uber until the buses start back up again, then I'll be fine. Anyway, it's probably